Hey everyone, with the Lance Fans of Gaming. This is the part one for April Patreon 2024. We look at D&D, Warhammer proxies, figures for your 3D printing needs. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord down below. And the links for these, the ones that we're looking at, will be down below for you guys as well. So let us begin. So we have Heroes Infinite by Raging Heroes. Um, some of these I think you can actually use for proxies for your Warhammer needs as well. Maybe more like Age of Sigmar style, or you can probably replace a couple of them for your old world too. I don't know how big it is or all that stuff, but either way, a lot of the Heroes Infinite do a lot of Warhammer proxies. So we have some mummies, sexy mummy late lords, knights as well. It's basically supposed to be King Arthur versus in Egypt, so it's supposed to be fighting that. So I don't know how that really works in many other ways as well. But these are pretty cool looking prints, I will say. And a lot of big titty girls as well. I hope everyone had a great Easter and good April Fool's Day. I was thinking about doing a skit for April's Fools, but I'm just too damn exhausted and freaking tired. I know one of the proxies it could be used for that as well. But either way, hopefully you guys will enjoy it. A lot of these. I don't know how many people get these things. Like $10 for a lot of them. Your main, displays. Giant ass fucking castle catapult. Become an overlord. Access. Access them all, everyone. Yeah, this is probably good for your your Bertoli armies and stuff. Rigadine. And your giant ass mummies as well. Yep, colossal mummy. Yes. Yep, you can have that as your terrain piece. That'll be it for that. Arch Villain Games. We have the fantasy and the sci-fi version of it. This is March release. It's March 2nd. Where is? Do we have the April one already for this? They should have April one already. They are doing a Kickstarter as well. There's a sci-fi preview for the Arch Villain. I'll put the Kickstarter for the Arch Villain games. Their prints are actually pretty cool. These will actually be really good proxy for the orcs for the 40k. They have that big rhino thing. It's supposed to be going on top, but I think this will probably do it. And we can replace a lot of them, a lot of the 40k with this one as well. Look at that freaking dreadnought that they just made into that. It's kind of cool looking. Yeah, that looks pretty good. This is a sci-fi fantasy version. Looks like a chain demon, chain warrior. There's a beholder. Without the tentacles, it has like those arachnid legs. That looks pretty good. Dwarf. We got some dwarves. Some kind of ranger. Elberborn rogue. Darkfire Ifrit. Darkfire Ifrit. Damn, a lot of Ifrits. Fucking Darkfire Imp 1. That's kind of, these are freaking gnarly looking things too. Darkfire Matron. Darkfire Ogres. I think I am gonna do something, print something like this and paint it and see how it looks for it. It's gonna be a lot of darker colors. I'll tell you that right now. Corruption. So that'll be it, and I'll put the Kickstarter on the link down below as well. Clay cyanide miniatures. This is from March. We haven't looked at it, but they don't have anything till like end of the month, so you can see what they have, and I'll put the link down below as well. If you're interested in any other way for it, Bubbles, Death Whisper, Spawn, Dark Reaper. You get the idea. If you're interested, you can go take a look. Okay, My Mini Monster. For April, we are getting the Eclipse of the Rising Sun. This looks like we'll have more of an Oriental style. It looks like a lion dragon um, circling a. This to be a bridge. Let me see if any other more. Yeah, just that's the link will be down below. They'll probably post more towards like the mid of this month. Just letting you guys know. Printing Obsession. This is April 1. Got some gnarly looking D&D style that we can have. Here, the Black Orphle. Children of Yig. Getheth Keth. Mass Guide. Nantholetrope. I'm probably butchering it, like with a lot of these pronunciation that they put down. And your base, so yes, you can have like a little bit of a mimic style base if you're interested. And artifact handout puzzle. Okay. Twin Goddess miniatures, April release for this as well. So we got a whole bunch just coming up. Another goblin, some maiden, an angel, some Egyptians, some kind of Valkyrie or warrior as well. That's for April. Epic miniatures. It's a lot. I'll say, for like $10. But if you're interested, this is probably one of the things that you should be looking for. Oh, now they got their big pictures working. So we got Cyberpunk, looks like it, and some superhero. We got Batman and Superman and Wonder Woman and Cyclops. We got the Hulk and some other ones I can't really see that well. I think these are supposed to be superheroes because there's Rhino, there's Penguin. I think these are supposed to be the superhero one. For that, from Invictus Miniatures. Let's see here. Yeah, I don't need to see all of that. Okay, throwback. This will be your throwback. Let's see here. We have some of that. April update. Got some terrain, houses, blacksmithing. You got looks like some type of artificers. Looks like it. Dwarves. Female dwarves with beards. Elves. Whole bunch of other stuff as well. We'll probably be skimming down a little bit. We got some dragons and looks like a homunculus as well. For a lot of things. A lot. There's a lot of shit that you can go scroll through and look at. If you're interested, go check them out. We got bullets as well. Bullet playing with a ball. That's kind of cute. We got some Olympian legend hydras, Greek building and architecture boats, God of Hades avatar. So we got some gods avatars as well. Cerberus, Medusas, Liam, Lion Folk, Satyrs, Centaurs, Let's see, got his Athena avatar as well. So you got Air Elemental female. We got a Cyclops as well. But go check them out and see what they are. RN Studio. They're gonna our Kickstarter as well. I'll put the link down for you guys, so you can go check them out as well. For their release, we got anime series from Demon Slayer. Looks like it. Classic RPG from Kingdom Hearts, Mega Man X, and do not know where that she's from. And we have Transformers. Well, anyhow, I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon, Discord. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Have a great day, guys. Bye.